Me want... Hold on there. I want to you. How you look so? I just had a fight. Fight? With who?
Cynthia.
She was out there talking a whole bunch of stuff. The same dread girl we bully you. She said, oh, I don't care how much you learn how to talk English properly. You can't fool me. You a banana boat bum. Banana boat. Once a coconut head, always a coconut head. What a little girl, bright. What really made me put my paws on her was because she was talking smack about you. You won't believe what she said.
Tell me what a little girl they said.
She said that's why ICE is about to come deport you and your Johnny Bravo wig wearing ass mama. What is that Johnny Bravo? This is how Johnny Bravo look. Let me see. What a little girl so out her order. But yeah. So what you say about fear mother now? I said your mama's so fat she can't even fit through the front door. Sean, that little girl that called me one Johnny Bravo, and that's the best they can come up with. That's why everybody was quiet. You win the fight? Heck yes, I won. All right, yes. I was like this. That me I talk about. Yeah. I took my book bag because I have big heavy textbooks, mom. Me not raise no afraid girl. Yeah. Yeah, now make that girl bully you out the road. That me I talk about. Me like that. They just sent a video of the fight.
Get him up, let him get up, let him get up, let him get up.
How comes they tell me you win? I don't know. I thought I won. My eyes was closed most of the time. Why? Do your own work. I'm gonna cook dinner. I'm gonna sign you up for kickboxing or karate.